Greetings everyone! I'm sending you a blissful day. Welcome to my podcast, Jimmery Listens, Negosyo Talks. My name is Jimmery Gomez, naging private employee for 9 years. Tagal ko sa work pero hindi ako nakapag-ipon at hindi rin ako makapag-long travel. Kasi conflict siya sa work schedule ko. Buti na lang natagpuan ko ang community that has the same mission as me to help people live better. In this podcast, our goal is to inspire and motivate people with our stories that we can share to the world. So now I have a special guest. She is a housewife for 28 years and now a full-time multiplier pro automated online business owner. Please help me welcome Coach Annie Diesel.
Hi! Good morning! And good morning everyone and good morning world!
Yeah.
Thank you Coach Jimmery for inviting me. It's just an honor to be part of your podcast. Hello everyone! I'm Annie Diesel, one of the coaches of the Multiply Pro Automotive Online Business.
Coach Annie, it's good to see you back. Thank you at pinaulan mo ang aming invitation. Kumusta ka na?
Okay lang, I'm doing good, Coach Jimmery.
You look great and inspired. I believe nasa Manila ka ngayon.
Yes, I'm in Manila right now. But 2 weeks ago, I was in Cagayan de Oro for doing some business matter. I'm looking forward to travel back to CDO sometimes next month, June, for business and probably in Camiguin Islands and some part of Misamis Oriental. See, of this business, I can be able to travel everywhere
Wow.
and at the same time, pleasure.
Ang galing naman. Nakakapag-travel ka anytime you want. Nasa Manila ka ngayon. Ako is nasa Iligan City. Galing din ako from out of town. Galing ako sa City of Basilan. Para po sa mga viewers natin, si Annie Diesel po ay nakapag-travel na almost around the world. Dahil po yan sa nature ng work ng niya na isang chemist. Coach Annie, pwede mo bang ikwento sa amin, what was your life back then?
Well, my life before, I was a housewife. As you mentioned before, I was a housewife for 28 years. And my husband is a German. But sad to say, he passed away 9 years already. Well, it was a painful for me, sad and lonely. Because my husband is my rock, my strength, and my companion for so many years. And as you mentioned, we travel together everywhere. We are happy together, lots of memories together, at yan ang na-miss ko ng sobra. But now I feel happy and no more lonely. It's because I joined this Multiply Pro community. Dahil I feel comfortable doing this business. Dahil before we are strangers, then we become friends. And now we are like a family of doing this business of Multiply Pro system.
Yes, Coach Annie, we can't move on from the pain of losing someone we love. We just have to live with it. Buti na lang may mga communities na pwede nating takbuhan. And you found Multiplier Pro community.
Yes.
So, why did you join Multiplier Pro community?
It's because the positive vibes ng mga tao and happy and supportive members excited palagi, and travels everywhere, business and pleasure. You will get the personal growth, inspiring story you heard from each members. And I want to be like them and achieve my dreams for my family. And they are my big why I'm joining this Multiply through automotive business. Then to travel together with my family, because as you mentioned that we travel only together with my husband, but I cannot afford to support my family, to bring them, especially international travel. It costs a lot of money, so I'm happy that I'm here on this kind of business, an automotive online business. It's because my dream will come true to bring my loved ones in the foreign country for holidays.
Salamat at nakita mo ang happiness mo dito sa Multiplier Pro community. Now, you just launched your brand website for your automated business system. Congratulations, Coach. Can you tell us more about this?
Well, it's like applying for a personal franchise for the system. And you can name it sa pangalan mo. Parang copy-paste kasi ang system. It's like applying for a personal franchise for the system and you can name it sa pangalan mo. Parang copy-paste kasi ang system na ito. Tapos kapag may franchise ka na, you can sell the same. Yung mag-franchise from you, they can also brand the exact system sa pangalan na. Then you earn royalties and commission from this. And you will get the corporate check from the company. And this aside from the sales generated by your automotive online business. Para siyang money-making na machine mo. Na while you are sleeping, you earn money. While you are busy for your family or your kids, you earn money. So while you are traveling abroad or domestic, you earn money. Kasi para siyang mag-autopilot sa business mo. Diba ang ganda?
Wow, ang galing naman. Stress-free and worry-free talaga, no? I am sure excited din ang mga viewers natin. Paano sa franchise ng automated business system? Can you tell them how to start?
Well, for interested entrepreneurs or inspiring entrepreneurs, mag-apply lang sila sa aking website at nandyan sa screen natin na www.anidiesel.com. Then follow the flow until you pass the initial qualification. Then you can also email me at multiplyfro@anidiesel.com or reach me at this number 0962-329-4905.
Thank you, Coach Annie, for the information. So, mga viewers natin, take note, nasa screen na. Uulitin ko lang ha. They can go to your brand site, www.anidiesel.com. Then, follow the flow until you pass the initial qualification. Take note, guys, may qualification po ang system. You can also email her at multiplierpro@anidiesel.com or contact at 0962-329-4905. Ayan, alam nyo na where to contact Coach Annie. Thank you so much, Coach Annie. It was such a pleasure to have you in our Usapang Negosyo. We hope to have you here again.
Same here and looking forward to it, Coach Jemarie.
And to our dear Ka-Negosyo, thank you so much for watching and always remember, you are highly favored. Looking forward to see you in our next podcast. Me and Coach Annie advice to you is to follow your dreams. Take courage in pursuing them kasi deserve mo ang magandang buhay. Kanegosyo,
Go for your dreams and multiply. Bye for now.
bye for now!